You are going to love the 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.